Hello friend, welcome to my channel Tech Getter Official. If you're stuck with the infamous error code 0xc00007b, the application was unable to start correctly on Windows 10-11. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the fastest working fix so you can get your app or game running again right away. Stay with me. This error usually happens when there's a mismatch in 32-bit versus 64-bit system files, missing or corrupted system libraries like DLLs, or required components such as .NET Framework, Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable or DirectX are missing or damaged. Now, let's jump into the working steps. Quick, safe, and no risky downloads. Step 1. Run as administrator. Right-click the app/game causing the error, Run as administrator. This simple step ensures permission issues aren't blocking the launch. Step 2. Reinstall/repair.NET Framework. Go to Control Panel Programs, turn Windows features on or off. Enable the latest .NET Framework, for example 3.5 plus 4.x. Restart. Many times the missing .NET component triggers 0xc00007b. Step 3. Install/repair Visual C++ Redistributables. Visit Microsoft's site and install both x86 and x64 versions of Visual C++ Redistributable packages, 2005 to 2022. If you already have them, choose Repair. This resolves architecture mismatches. Step 4. Update DirectX and run SFC. Download and install the latest DirectX end-user runtime. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scan now. This will take some time. Then desm/online/cleanup image/restore health. This scans and repairs corrupt system files. Step 5. Reinstall the app/game and check bit version. Uninstall the troubled application/game. Reinstall it, making sure you choose the correct 32-bit or 64-bit version to match your operating system. Architecture mismatch, for example 64-bit app on 32-bit OS, often causes this error. Step 6. Last resort, create new user profile or clean boot. If it still fails, try creating a new user account and launch the app there. Or perform a clean boot. For this, press Win+R key, type msconfig and click on OK. Go to Services tab, choose Hide all Microsoft services. Now click on Disable REST and then restart. And that's it. These steps have fixed the 0xc00007b error for thousands of users. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're still getting the error. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.